Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we have with us a very special Hot Wheel car, and this came a year back. And as you can see, it is Barbie the movie, and the car is 1956 Corvette. It is a very special card art and car because Mattel promoted this with the Barbie the movie, and it is a very special card art because you can see here also it is guaranteed for life return. So this comes with like the US and Canada cards. Okay, if I show you the behind also, you can see that is written here. Yeah, okay, but if you see a mainline this thing you will not find. Okay, so they have given some website and all, US and Canada only. There were a lot of scalpers that time, so I got this from Amazon around 300 rupees. But if you're able to see here, this the sticker is different, and they have pasted another sticker and they just tore here the price itself. So like that they were selling that time. Almost the mainlines were around 159 rupees that time, I think so, and this I got for around 300 rupees something. So almost I paid double, but it is worth it. It is worth it, guys. You can see the Barbie the movie and some information written over here around 1956 Corvette. Float into the passenger seat and ride along with Barbie in her perfectly pink Corvette that drives like a dream inspired by the movie. This car is a real superstar. So, the card art that we are talking about, right? This is a very different cards rather than like mainline. This came as a mainline only for 159 rupees. But if you compare both of this card arts, right, you will see the difference. It comes as a premium art card, and this is a normal card art. Okay, you can see it's specifically written Barbie the movie, and it is one of the kind. If you see here, like we get a series of number, but this is like one of kind. And on the back also, if you see, there is a lot of difference. The information given over here and the information given over here just says like 9 out of 10, but this is like a very special car in the mainland itself. You see the back of the information written over here is also different. So now let's dive into the car itself. Let me zoom in a bit. You can see this is a pink pastel color, and this is not like actual pink but very pastel color. So all the details on the side, it's very good. You can see the curve that is going from here and here, then the door handle, the door, it is a convertible, so they have given justice to it. You can see it is, the card is very damaged, you can see here also, but I'm not in the mood to buy a new car like a copy for it, because they are selling like 700 or 800 something nowadays, so it's not worth that much, I think so. If you see the side also, there's like cool tires. Then on the front you can see Barbie written over here, the logo, the grill is also pink, the headlights have some irregularities over here, but okay, it's manageable. There is a hood here, but it's not openable, I think so. Just normal engraving they have done. Then the glass windshield, they have not given mirrors. Okay, so the interior also like some white color. It's not like specific white, it's creamy white, and you can see that it's a left hand drive, very good car. On the back they have not given that much detailing, nothing at all, just some engravings and that's all. Let's see the chassis. You can see it's plastic only. The tires also plastic only. 956 Corvette, made in Malaysia, 2022. Yeah, that's it for this car, guys. Like, if you are a collector, you should have this one in your collection, because when it came to India, it is very niche market for it, you can see, and it is a good collectible. If you are trying to sell it afterwards, then it will hold value a lot, I think so, because it is one of kind. Okay, so if you're planning to sell it afterwards, it will go a lot of money. So that is for the car, guys, and we'll meet in next video. Until then, stay subscribed and keep sharing, keep liking. Bye bye.